In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up on GoDaddy and create a GoDaddy account, a step-by-step guide for 2025. We're here to make the process as smooth as possible, especially if you're new to GoDaddy, a popular domain registrar and web hosting service. Let's get started. First, open your favorite web browser and go to GoDaddy.com. This is where the journey begins for setting up your new account. Once the page loads, you'll find a sign in option on the upper right corner of the website. Click on it to proceed. You might expect that you're signing in. However, since we're creating a new account, look for and click on Create an Account. It's usually located next to the sign in options. Once you click that, you'll be directed to a new page with various ways to sign up. You have the option to continue with email, and that's what we'll focus on today. Of course, if you prefer, you can also opt to sign up using social accounts like Facebook or Google, which can make things a bit quicker. Next, fill out the required details, starting with your email address and your desired username. When choosing an email, make sure it's one you check often, as GoDaddy will use this for account confirmations and other important communications. After you've entered your email and username, it's time to create a password. Your password needs to be strong. Consider using a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and special characters to keep it secure. GoDaddy may give you immediate feedback about the strength of your password, so feel free to adjust accordingly. Moving on, there's an option to sign up for test updates. This is entirely optional. If you're interested in staying up to date with GoDaddy's latest features and improvements, you can opt in. If not, simply skip this part and proceed. Now, ready to move forward? Click on Create Account. At this point, GoDaddy will need to verify the email address you provided. Click on Send Verification Code to initiate this process. A 6-digit code will be sent to your email. Check your inbox for the email from GoDaddy containing the verification code. If you don't see it in your main inbox within a few minutes, be sure to check your spam or junk folders just in case. Once you have the code, return to the GoDaddy page and enter the 6 digits in the designated field. Finally, to complete your account setup, click on Verify Code. With this last step, you now have your very own GoDaddy account. It's all set up and ready for you to explore the various services they offer, from domain registration to web hosting solutions. Thank you for watching and enjoy your GoDaddy journey.